Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. It's got these. So yeah. Oh, she's done it a bit tight. So I've got these. Oh, it's really cute. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's so cute, I love it. It's like a present. But yeah. You have to take that off. Moment of truth. So it's got that Chanel card. There's got everything there. Dust bag. Came with some laces. And damn, Daniel. These are yours.
Now that I'm going to show it to you, it's going to be worn and stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So I have the box here. Same box, nothing new. So yeah. Let me show you. To be honest, on the side here, it actually says like the trainer and the size, it shows it. So yeah. So of course, because I've worn it, I've already put it in the dust bags. So it's in the dust bag. So that's how it looks like. Obviously it comes with like all these stuff. If it's gonna focus. But yeah, where the receipt is in. And I think this is like just your care tips. I don't think it's gonna focus, but let's see. Yeah, 5 care tips by Chanel. So it just basically tells you how to care for the trainers. I've not even read it myself. And then of course comes with the laces, and it's always good to have an extra pair. So yeah, anyways, I'll show you the trainers. So yeah, I got it in the black. Don't know if you can see that properly. The light is kind of washing it out, but I'll show it to you on my feet as well so you guys can see. But yeah, like I said, it's been worn. But I got it in the black colour. And underneath, got the Chanel logo. And on the side, one thing I don't like about the Chanel trainers is the material that they've been using here now. Because if you look back at Chanel trainers from ages ago, they did not use this type of material. So it's basically, when you're wearing these, you can't really wear it in the rain because of the material. And of course it's suede as well, so you have to care for it very well. So yeah, that is it. I'll show you the other pair. But like I said, I'll show it to you guys when it's on my foot as well, so you can see what it's like in full effect. So this colour is actually it doesn't say, but it's the black and white. And I got this from the Chanel store in Selfridges in November 2019. And it was new season at the time. I think it still is actually. I don't know actually, I haven't seen what they have in Chanel at the moment. But yeah, these cost £740, which translates into about $900. So yeah, I'd say it's worth it for the price. With me, anything designer that I'll buy, it's usually bags or shoes or accessories like leather bracelets or something, but or jewelry. But yeah, shoes and bags, great investment. But yeah, that's the right pair. I think the light is just gonna wash it out, to be honest. But yeah, that's how it looks. And it's got the Chanel logo on the front there. Try and get to focus. So you can see it's this material right there that I don't like, and it's the same that they use on the front. Not that I don't like, but I mean, if I had a choice of to pick what material I want on my trainers, I wouldn't pick that. But yeah, so I'm gonna basically tell you what I think about the trainers. I love them. I've probably worn it about 10 to 15 times. They're very comfortable, very, very comfortable. But the only thing I'm not really a fan of is, you see inside the shoe here, they use like a sheepskin material. I don't know what it is actually. I actually haven't got a clue what material that is, but it's like a woolly material. I feel like my feet just rubs against it and the friction is not quite nice. I think I prefer like leather trainers and stuff, because yeah, my feet don't really rub against it, so I don't really feel the friction and stuff. But maybe that's just my heels. So yeah, apart from that, everything else is great. I'll say it's a good price and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.